Welcome back to the Excursioners. Join us this week as we adventure up to Buena Vista, Colorado, experience some torrential rain, try to avoid it, do some mountain biking, and enjoy the weekend.
What are you doing?
Hey, we're gonna pull the truck down here to this little tight spot.
See how it goes. Here we are. Going down there. Whee! There we go. Boink. Woohoo! The bikes didn't hit. The car didn't hit. Okay, can we walk down and not slip? Mommy has her flip-flops on. Here we go. Woo! Here he goes. Sizzling some Cheeto peppers and boiling some corn. Okay, thanks for cooking dinner, Daddy.
Yeah.
Started to rain. Gwen had eaten a little bit, so we rushed up here to the iCamper to have dinner. We're having BLTs with some bacon, some of my homemade vegan keto bread, some delicious Olathe corn. Where's your corn? Oh, are you gonna eat it? You want Mommy's corn? Oh, come on. Oh, don't eat your tongue, silly. Anyways, yeah, dinner, BLTs, corn. And we had delicious shishito peppers that Greg and I ate for an appetizer while cooking. And Gwen wants my corn.
Gwen, no mommy's corn? Can you throw this one in the air for me? You're gonna throw two? Okay, I'm ready. Ha! Try the cashew. Where'd it go?
Did it hit your head?
Good morning, everybody. We've made it. One night camping. We are at Cottonwood Lake, Cottonwood Pass near Buena Vista. Really beautiful spot. I'll give you guys a tour here in a little bit. We got Gwen and Mike over here. Excuse my camera handling skills. Still bad. Gwen, say good morning. Okay, or not. Today on the agenda we have either mountain biking or hiking. We've yet to decide how the day turns out, but it should be a good day, great day. Hopefully get into some adventure, some extreme exercise. Mike is not liking the way I'm talking. And that is all. That's it. That's all, folks. Well, we're in Buena Vista and it's pouring rain. We had expected scattered thunderstorms to mean sunny, which it usually does, at least where we live. So we're walking around town, we grabbed some lunch. Nothing too eventful. We're gonna try to wait for it to clear up and maybe bike. Gwen, are you up for some bike riding? Just gonna keep eating the burrito. Is it good? Pretty good. The sun has come out and we're going mountain biking.
Woohoo!
Woo! Gwen, you keep eating?
The rain is gone.
The rain has faded and this is the new view. Oh yeah. We're camped right up, kind of behind this pole, like right up there is where we're camped. And there's the blue sky that's coming our way. And I got some of the bikes out, ready to roll. And then the trails are all up there. This is a KOA, so we're kind of parked right in front of that. And we're gonna go bike up right this path. And yeah, it goes all up there. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. We're out here biking. Beautiful day. Absolutely amazing. Gwen is crushing it on her Mac ride. Gwen, are you doing good? Are you gonna fall asleep? Is Gwen getting tired? Might have to head back pretty soon because I think a little one. Are you tired? Oh, you are? Okay, well. Oh, she's not. She's not okay. But beautiful view, beautiful day. Mike is in front of us. Everyone's out enjoying it. The rain is gone and say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, more great riding out here. We're on the Midland Trail right now. Comes right from a parking lot up near Buena Vista. Really cool. Biking through this canyon right here. Not a huge canyon, but pretty fun. Pretty flowy, not too, some technical spots, but overall really fun. I'm trying to crank it back to Mike and Gwen, but here's what it looks like. All right, On Bacon Bits, the sign says, play smart, flat, and easy, or, doesn't say anything, but clearly, go down the hard way. Oh yeah. Definitely always go the way less traveled. Never the easy way. It was awesome. And it is pouring rain. The lightning is coming down.
When we pulled on our road, it was 55 degrees. It's 47 right now. Big lightning strikes, lots of wind, lots of rain.
Let's see if we could. Oh, it almost looks like it's snowing.
7:25 p.m.
Wind is howling. So we might hang here for a quick 5, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Can you tell us what we had for dinner?
Can you say nuts?
All right, for dinner we had something spectacular. My favorite word. It was olives, mixed nuts, Micah's amazing homemade salsa, and Gwen had some salty organic tofu. Gwen, anything good to say? Good morning, everybody. We're out biking. We got out of the camp around 9, made some breakfast, hung around for a bit, and now we're biking up this Jeep road, which we believe connects us to the Continental Divide. So we're just gonna keep biking until the road ends. This is straight up hill. Of course, Mike is crushing it up there. Doing it with Gwen. I'm walking a bike. Too much for me. Not enough O2 up here. I say we're probably we're almost a tree line. Maybe 10, maybe 11. I'll check when I get to the top. But we'll be climbing now for probably 2 hours, just straight up. The way down is gonna be a lot of fun. Looking forward to that. Time to head down the hill. Gonna be a good time. Gwen, you gonna have fun? Are you gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Who's biking?
Yeah! Whose bike are you gonna ride on?
Mama.
You gonna ride Mommy's bike?
Me?
No.
Oh, Daddy. Yeah. Daddy it is. a wrap to the weekend. Had a lot of fun. Did a lot of mountain biking all around Buena Vista. We went up probably like 12,000 feet today. Spectacular up there, except we got stuck in the rain, which that was fun. It got cold. Like his hands got all white.
Hello.
And the aftermath of the little one is, ooh, someone's out cold with drawing book in hand. So
She just had to color.
she had a color. So overall, great weekend driving home. We got about 2 hours, and that's all.
Yay.
We will see everyone on our adventures next week.
Where will they take us?
Where will they be? Have a great week.
Bye.
Okay, go. You don't have to go slow. It's slow-mo.